Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tool organization with 10 amazing tool organizers and bags that you need to see on Amazon. Whether you're a professional handyman or a DIY enthusiast, these products will help you keep your workspace neat and efficient. Let's get started. Number 1. The Acromills 24-drawer plastic drawer storage cabinet, measuring 20-inch width, 6 and 3/8 inch depth, and 15 and 3/16 inch height, is made from rugged, high-impact polystyrene plastic. Each drawer measures 6 inch by 4.5 inch by 2 and 3/16 inch, providing ample storage space. Ideal for garages and workshops, it organizes tools, screws, batteries, and nails, keeping them easily accessible. Teachers can use it as a toolbox, art supply storage, or craft cabinet. At home, it's perfect for Lego, craft, sticker, makeup, and medicine storage. Features include stackable or wall mount options with keyhole slots, finger grip drawer pulls for easy access, and rear stop tabs to prevent spills. Drawer dividers are included and molded into the back of the cabinet. This versatile and durable cabinet helps keep workspaces, classrooms, and homes neat and organized, making small items easily accessible and well organized. Number 2. The DeWalt Toolbox Tough Case Organizer Medium features 8 compartments for small tools and accessories. It is part of a connectable accessory storage system that optimizes storage space. The patented bit bar design allows for easy removal and customizable placement of bits. The clear lid lets you see the contents at a glance, and a clip latch ensures secure closing. This durable organizer keeps your bits and small tools neatly stored and easily accessible, perfect for both professional and DIY use. Number 3. Introducing the Socket Organizer Drive ABS Tool Socket Holder, the ultimate solution for socket organization. This premium 9-piece kit includes everything you need: a 1/4-inch 48 clips, 3/8-inch 45 clips, and 1/2-inch 36 clips, fitting almost all brands of sockets. With its durable molded ABS plastic construction, it effortlessly accommodates both deep and shallow sockets in SAE, inch, and metric sizes. Say goodbye to the chaos of mixed sockets. Available in blue and black and red, this organizer makes it super easy to distinguish between SAE and metric sockets at a glance. Each clip is equipped with spring-loaded ball bearings to firmly hold your sockets in place, ensuring they stay secure and ready for action. The removable end cap allows for easy clip addition or removal, giving you complete control over your organization setup. Whether you prefer to keep it in your toolbox, mount it on a wall vertically or horizontally, place it on your workbench, or store it in a drawer, this organizer adapts to your needs. Transform your workspace with the Socket Organizer Drive ABS Tool Socket Holder and experience the ease of a well-organized tool collection. Number 4. Introducing the Heavy-Duty Tool Bag 15-inch, your ultimate portable tool organizer. This 16-pocket tactical tote bag is designed to keep your tools neatly organized and easily accessible. With 16 pockets and a tape measure hook, you can store everything from hammers and screwdrivers to wrenches, saws, drills, and cordless grinders. The tool bag features a 45-inch adjustable shoulder strap, perfect for users of different heights. The staggered metal buckle design ensures easy opening and closing while wearing the bag, and the comfortable handle offers additional carrying options. Crafted from premium Oxford fabric with a PVC coating, this bag is water-resistant and moisture-proof. The large zipper adds durability, and it's compliant with NEN standards, making it odor-free. The tactical maul design allows for extra gear attachment, while a reflective stripe enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The anti-slip base with 4 rubber feet provides stability and prevents movement at various work sites, from construction and electrical to plumbing and HVAC. The wide-open mouth design ensures quick and easy access to your tools. This heavy-duty tool bag is built to handle tough jobs and keep you organized. Number 5. The Holster Z Tool Bag is a compact yet versatile tool organizer designed for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and tradespeople. Made from high-density 600D, 900D Oxford cloth, it boasts exceptional strength and durability, with extra attention given to stitching and details. The tool bag features double-layer canvas and PE partitions at the bottom for added resilience. With multiple storage options, The bag has been optimized to accommodate larger tools securely. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, and the adjustable belt offers convenience for various trades, including roofers, barbers, and DIYers. The tool bag includes a leg strap for additional comfort and stability, especially useful for long periods of work. It's suitable for a wide range of professions such as electricians, carpenters, HVAC technicians, mechanics, plumbers, and more, making it a practical choice for both home and professional use. Number 6. Introducing the PIT Mini Black Toolbox, a compact and versatile storage solution perfect for your tools and accessories. Measuring 8.6 by 4.6 by 7.9 inches, this portable 5-drawer micro roll cab is designed for lightweight and easy day-to-day use. It features a sleek black steel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and easy maintenance. The box includes anti-slip pads on the bottom for stability and a liner in each drawer to provide a protective moisture barrier, preventing rust and keeping your tools in top condition. The 5 drawers glide smoothly, offering efficient access to your small tools and accessories. Ideal for use in homes, offices, warehouses, and job sites. This mini toolbox can store various items from business cards and pins to paper clips and small tools. The top chest can be used separately or in combination with the main box, providing added versatility. Please note the size before ordering. This is a small toolbox, so make sure it meets your needs before purchase. Number 7. Introducing the Gopless Tool Chest, a versatile 5-drawer rolling tool storage cabinet with a detachable top toolbox. Measuring 23.5 inches by 11 inches by 40 inches, this tool chest offers a 2-in-1 design. The top toolbox can be used separately or combined with the bottom cabinet, which features a large bottom storage area and a side tool rack with 4 removable hooks. The adjustable shelf in the bottom cabinet allows for customizable storage space. This tool chest provides ample storage with its top tray, 5 drawers, and side hooks, perfect for organizing screwdrivers, spanners, and other tools. It includes a secure locking system with 2 locking bars and a locking buckle to keep all compartments secure. Protective liners in the top tray and drawers prevent scratches and damage. Equipped with 4 universal wheels and a pull handle, the tool chest is easy to maneuver. 2 of the wheels are lockable to keep the chest stable. Constructed from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, it offers durability and a strong load-bearing capacity for long-lasting use. Number 8. Introducing the Keter Stack and Roll 2-Drawer Toolbox, the perfect solution for organizing small parts and power tool accessories. This versatile toolbox fits seamlessly into the Keter modular tool storage system, making it ideal for home DIY projects, crafting, jewelry making, and scrapbooking. The toolbox features full drawer opening, providing a complete view of your contents and making it easy to locate items quickly. Removable dividers allow you to customize the interior space to fit various sized items, ensuring everything is stored efficiently. With a fold-down carry handle, this toolbox is highly portable, allowing you to take it wherever you need. It can also be easily stacked on top of any other storage units within the Keter tool system, enhancing your storage flexibility and organization. Number 9. Introducing the Acromills Acrobins Plastic Hanging Stackable Storage Organizer Bin, a practical and durable solution for all your organizing needs. Each bin measures 5 3/8 inch by 4 1/8 inch by 3 inch outside and 4 3/4 inch by 3 7/16 inch by 2 13/16 inch inside, and comes in a convenient 6-pack. Made from one-piece industrial-strength plastic, these bins are rust, water, and corrosion-proof, making them incredibly durable. Perfect for a wide range of uses, these bins are ideal for organizing classrooms, garages, play areas, hardware, craft supplies, small toys, candy, snacks, and more, with a load capacity of up to 10 pounds. They are also great for closet organization, helping you refresh your wardrobe and maximize storage space with their stackable design. In the kitchen, use them as refrigerator organizer bins to keep your fruits and veggies fresh and easily accessible, making meal prep a breeze. Number 10. Introducing the Bucket Boss, the Bucketeer Bucket Tool Organizer, a versatile and practical solution for organizing your tools. This organizer features 3 interior loops designed to hold long-handled tools such as hammers, drills, and pry bars securely. It fits most standard 5-gallon buckets, turning them into a highly functional tool storage system. Crafted with excellent quality and design, the Bucketeer offers durability and convenience, making it an essential addition to any workshop or job site. Keep your tools neatly arranged and easily accessible with this reliable organizer.